Driving is a lot easier and safer when you can see, because if you can't, it's gonna be hard to not get in a crash. If you're looking for good sunglasses for both daytime and nighttime driving, stick around, because today we'll cover the best lenses for different driving conditions so you can keep your eyes comfortable and stay safe out on the road. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Eric, and this is the destination on YouTube for all things optical, sunglasses, and lens technology. Now we're lens technology experts, so get ready to find out whether polarized, color enhancing, anti-reflective, or photochromic lenses might be best for your needs. Now before we dive into the best types of lenses, let's quickly touch on a few things to consider when you're buying sunglasses for driving. That way, you'll know exactly what type of lenses you need. So first of all, you need to know yourself and your driving habits. So take note of things like how often you drive during the day versus at dusk or night, the type of landscape you drive in the most, whether or not you drive for a living, and how severely you're affected by glare and reflections on the road. Are you a truck driver or prepping for a long road trip? Or do you just want something for short drives to keep in your car? This will change things like the comfort and style of your frame, the base tint, and additions like anti-reflective coatings. Another consideration is the weather where you live, because you might not need the darkest tinted sunglasses in an area where the sky is usually gray. Let's hop into choosing sunglasses for different types of driving. Also, keep in mind that Fuse offers all these lenses for any frame. More on this later. So the first thing we'll cover is the best sunglasses for driving during the day. But this can change depending on the climate or weather, like I mentioned before. So let's break it down. First of all, the frames you wear when you're driving are important because you need to give your eyes coverage, but you also need to be comfortable. That's why you might want to invest in some lightweight frames that stay on your nose, because if they're too tight or heavy, they'll probably end up giving you a headache. We really recommend our Fuse Anclote and Egmont frames for driving. Anclote has rubberized nose pads and large lenses that won't block your peripheral vision. Egmont also has large lenses, and it's a lightweight model for all-day comfort. And we have the Egmont XL if you're looking for even more lens coverage. So when it comes to lenses, the ideal lens for driving in cloudier conditions will be a lens with a bit of a lighter tint. Options like Fuse's G15, brown, or even our gradient lenses fit the bill. But if you live somewhere like Florida, a darker gray base lens might function better for you throughout a sunny day. You also need to protect your eyes from glare. No matter how much you drive or the climate that you live in, regular tinted sunglasses simply darken the world around you. To help combat the effects of glare, polarized shades are necessary. So, rain or shine, polarized lenses are the way to go because they diffuse the type of light that causes glare, called horizontal light. We do have an in-depth video about polarized versus non-polarized sunglasses, and that covers the science. So check that out in the description. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more videos on sunglasses and lens tech. Now another option for dealing with glare is mirrored sunglasses. And while they don't specifically target the light waves that cause glare like polarized lenses do, they are really effective at blocking out bright light. And they look pretty cool. Am I the only one that feels like a spy when wearing mirrored lenses? Because no one else can see your eyes. Anyway, you can learn more about it in our video on polarized versus mirrored sunglasses. Then there are color enhancing lenses, like our Fuse Amp lenses, made for crisper and enhanced color, increased contrast, and all-day comfort. Amp Gray and Brown are great for variable weather conditions, and Carbon and Glacier are best for bright sun. Now these Amp models are also polarized, which can actually improve your reaction time because it's easier to see small details and react to your surroundings. So if you're looking for something that'll make your driving experience easier and more beautiful, color enhancing might be right for you. You can learn more about these in our playlist on color enhancing sunglasses. But if you find yourself constantly taking your sunglasses off and putting them back on while you're driving because of the changing light conditions, well, photochromic lenses might be right for you. These kinds of lenses actually change tint depending on how bright it is. They're a great option for people who live in a cloudy or variable climate where the sun comes out and then goes back behind the clouds, and also for anyone who drives all day for work or commutes when the sun is coming up or going down. Photochromic lenses are popular with prescription glasses, and more on this later. Plus, We also have a whole video on photochromic lenses, so check it out. Now, let's do a 180 and get into sunglasses for night driving, because yes, you still need to protect your eyes from glare in the dark. So the good news is, the best lenses for driving at night will actually help you drive safer and see better. For example, regular car headlights are bright. And you know those people who put their high beams on even though the roads are lit up, fog-free? First of all, for everyone else's sake, please stop doing that. But second of all, headlights can really do a number on your eyes. And that's where anti-reflective lens coatings come in, which are a great addition to both clear glasses and sunglasses, since they serve the same function as polarized lenses. The only difference is they're designed specifically for reflections in dim lighting conditions, and they also prevent reflections from auto lights coming from the front and behind your glasses lens. Now, we highly recommend anti-reflective coatings on prescription lenses because they're a necessity at night. We cover the differences between them in our video on anti-glare versus anti-reflective versus polarized lenses. Now, some of our favorite frames for clear anti-reflective coatings are our Fuse Clear 3 Rooker frames and our Anclote frames, like I mentioned before. They look great with clear and tinted lenses. Now, 3 Rooker is lightweight and stylish, while the Anclote has rubberized nose pads and adjustable arms that are comfortable to wear while you're driving for long periods of time. But what if you also wear prescription glasses? You can easily add your prescription to your new driving sunglasses here at Fuse. Like I mentioned, we offer all the lenses I talked about today, but you can also add your prescription to almost all of them. Now, say goodbye to stacking glasses, since you can customize your new pair of polarized, clear anti-reflective, mirrored, photochromic, or night vision shades with your RX. Check out our video about how to add your prescription to your sunglasses linked below, along with the other videos that I mentioned. Fuse specializes in affordable and stylish replacement lenses, so you can choose from over 30 options on our website and buy replacements that fit perfectly in any frames you already own. Or if you want brand new glasses or shades, you can choose from any of the frame options on our website and customize your lenses. So come on over to fuselenses.com/YouTube to get your own pair. If you learned a thing or two today about getting the right sunglasses for driving, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell for more videos on vision, sun protection, and all things sunglasses. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.